Hello, kids. We are starting a new chapter today, chapter number 12, The Lady with the Lamp, from the book English Reader 3, Starter. To serve mankind is the greatest religion. There were many people who gave up a comfortable life and devoted themselves for the service of mankind. Florence Nightingale was the woman who devoted herself for the service of mankind. Read the story of Florence Nightingale, who was वन सच पर्सनालिटी. तो मैनकाइंड को सर्व करना ये सबसे बड़ा रिलीजन माना जाता है, सबसे ग्रेटेस्ट. एंड ऐसे बहुत सारे लोग हैं जिन्होंने अपनी कंफर्टेबल लाइफ पे गिव अप कर दिया एंड खुद को डिवोट कर दिया मैनकाइंड की सर्विस के लिए. एंड जो फ्लोरेंस नाइटिंगेल थी वो ऐसी ही वुमेन थी जिन्होंने खुद को डिवोट कर दिया फॉर द सर्विस ऑफ मैनकाइंड. हम इस स्टोरी को रीड करेंगे फ्लोरेंस नाइटिंगेल के बारे में. वो भी इसी तरीके की एक पर्सनालिटी थी. ओके, रीडिंग स्किल. Florence Nightingale was born in Florence, Italy. Her parents named her Florence after the name of the city. She had one sister since childhood. She was an intelligent and independent child. She was taught at home by her parents. Besides Italian, she also learned English and French. Nightingale traveled to many countries with her parents and sister. She also wrote lots of notes to herself. One day she wrote, "Today God spoke to me and called me to his service." She made up her mind to do something in life. So जो फ्लोरेंस नाइटिंगेल थी वो फ्लोरेंस इटली में बॉर्न हुई थी. उनके पेरेंट्स ने उनका नेम फ्लोरेंस रखा था आफ्टर द नेम ऑफ दैट सिटी. एंड उनकी एक सिस्टर थी. बचपन से ही वो बहुत ज़्यादा इंटेलिजेंट इंडिपेंडेंट चाइल्ड रही थी एंड उनने घर पर ही पढ़ाई की थी. उनके पेरेंट्स करवाते थे. एंड इटालियन के अलावा उन्होंने इंग्लिश एंड फ्रेंच भी सीखी हुई थी. एंड जो नाइटिंगेल थी वो काफ़ी कंट्रीज़ ट्रैवल कर चुकी थी अपने पेरेंट्स एंड सिस्टर के साथ. एंड उन्होंने काफ़ी सारे नोट्स लिखे थे खुद को. एंड एक दिन उन्होंने एक नोट में लिखा कि गॉड ने मुझसे आकर बात करी और उन्होंने कहा कि मुझे तुम्हारी सर्विस चाहिए. एंड उन्होंने अपना माइंड बना लिया कि उन्हें कुछ करना है अपनी लाइफ में. ओके, she wanted to help other people. She wanted to become a nurse, but her parents and her sister did not like her choice. Her parents wanted her to settle comfortably by getting her married to a rich man. In those days, ladies from good families did not become nurses. They were paid very little money and they got little respect from the people. तो वो चाहती थी कि वो लोगों की मदद करे एंड वो नर्स बनना चाहती थी. बट जो उनके पेरेंट्स थे, सिस्टर थी, उनको उनकी ये चॉइस पसंद नहीं आई. एंड उसके पेरेंट्स ने उन्हें चाहा कि वो कंफर्टेबल लाइफ में सेटल हो और एक रिच मैन से शादी कर ले. उन दिनों में क्या होता था, जो लेडीज़ होती थी गुड फैमिलीज़ की, वो नर्सेज नहीं बन सकती थी क्योंकि नर्सेज को बहुत कम अमाउंट में मनी दिया जाता है एंड कम रिस्पेक्ट दी जाती है. ओके, the hospitals in those days were not better. The sheets on the beds were never changed and the patients were never washed. The nurses in the hospitals had to sleep in wooden cages outside the doors of the wards. But Florence was not moved by all these. She had made up her mind to become a nurse. She got her first chance when her grandmother fell ill. She stayed at her bedside and looked after her. Slowly she began to help the poor people of a village nearby, but very soon she found that she could not do her work properly as she did not have the training to do her work. So she began to read books on medicine. A few years later she got the chance to go to England and learn about nursing in a hospital there. Then what happened next? जो हॉस्पिटल थे उस टाइम में बहुत ज़्यादा बेटर नहीं हुआ करते थे. वहाँ की जो शीट होती थी वो बेड से बदली नहीं जाती थी. पेशेंट्स भी कभी वॉश नहीं करते थे उनको. एंड जो नर्सेज होती थी हॉस्पिटल में, उनको वुडन केजेस में स्लीप करना पड़ता था वार्ड्स के बाहर जो डोर होते हैं उनके वहाँ पर. एंड जो फ्लोरेंस थी वो इन सब चीज़ों से डरी नहीं. उन्होंने अपना माइंड बना लिया था कि हाँ उन्हें नर्स ही बनना है. एंड उनको फर्स्ट चांस तब मिला जब वो ग्रैंड मदर उनकी बीमार हो गई थी एंड वो उनकी बेड साइड पर रही थी उनकी लुक आफ्टर के लिए. एंड स्लोली उन्होंने पुअर पीपल की जो विलेज में रहते थे आसपास में, उनकी भी हेल्प करना शुरू कर दिया था. एंड फिर कुछ दिन बाद उन्हें समझ आ गया कि इससे कुछ नहीं होगा. उन्हें अगर प्रॉपरली वर्क करना है तो उन्हें ट्रेनिंग चाहिए होगा. तो उन्होंने उसके बाद बुक्स रीड करनी स्टार्ट कर दी मेडिसिन पर, एंड कुछ साल बाद उन्हें मौका मिला इंग्लैंड में जाने का एंड नर्सिंग के बारे में एक हॉस्पिटल में सीखने का. ओके. When the Crimean War broke out in 1854, she led a group of 36 nurses to Constantinople to serve in British military hospital there. She worked very hard and tried to improve the condition of the hospital. She cleaned up the hospital and built a new kitchen which served better food with her own money. She bought new sheets and clothes for the patients. She spent many hours talking to them. She tried her best to make them comfortable and happy. तो आगे क्या हुआ, क्रीमियन वॉर ब्रोक आउट हो गई थी 1854 में, एंड उन्होंने 3 नर्सेस को एक ग्रुप में रखा था एंड ब्रिटिश मिलिट्री हॉस्पिटल में वहाँ पर सर्व भी किया था. एंड उन्होंने बहुत मेहनत की हॉस्पिटल की कंडीशन इम्प्रूव करने के लिए. वो इवन दो हॉस्पिटल को क्लीन करवाया एंड न्यू किचन बिल्ड की जहाँ पर बेटर फूड सर्व किया जाता था. अपनी मनी से उन्होंने न्यू शीट्स बॉट की, क्लोथ्स बॉट किए पेशेंट्स के लिए, एंड बहुत ज़्यादा आवर्स वहाँ पर वो बातें करती थी पेशेंट्स से एंड अपना बेस्ट देने का ट्राई करती थी सबको कंफर्टेबल एंड हैप्पी रखने के लिए. ओके. Every night after working hard throughout the day, she would take a lamp and visit from bed to bed, comforting and solacing the patients. The soldiers lovingly called her the lady with the lamp. हर रोज काम करने के बाद फिर वो जाती थी लैम्प लेकर, हर एक पेशेंट के बेड टू बेड जाती थी, उन्हें कंफर्ट प्रोवाइड करती थी. ओके. एंड जो सोल्जर्स थे उन्हें प्यार से द लेडी विद द लैम्प बुलाते थे. ओके. She also founded Nightingale Training School for nurses and in later years published dozens of books and pamphlets on public health. In 1883, Nightingale was awarded the Royal Red Cross by Queen Victoria of England. In 1907, she became the first woman to receive the Order of Merit. Florence Nightingale breathed her last in 1913. तो उन्हें नाइटिंगेल ट्रेनिंग स्कूल भी फाउंड आउट किया था नर्सेस के लिए, एंड लेटर ईयर में उन्होंने काफ़ी सारी बुक्स पब्लिश की, पैम्फलेट्स पब्लिक हेल्थ पर. एंड 1883 में नाइटिंगेल को अवार्ड मिला था रॉयल रेड क्रॉस के वाया, जो कि क्वीन विक्टोरिया इंग्लैंड में मिला था 1907 में, एंड वो फर्स्ट वुमेन बनी थी जिनको ऑर्डर ऑफ मेरिट मिला था. एंड फ्लोरेंस नाइटिंगेल डाइड इन 1930. ओके. Then word meaning we have given, intelligent means having or showing the ability to understand, learn and think. यानी कि समझदार होना, जल्दी से चीज़ों को लर्न करना, समझना. ओके. इंटरडिपेंडेंट, डिपेंडिंग ऑन ईच अदर, यानी कि एक दूसरे पर डिपेंड करना. चॉइस एंड एक्ट ऑफ चूजिंग, मतलब कुछ चीज़ को चुनना. कंफर्टेबल, फ्री फ्रॉम पेन, यानी कि दर्द से राहत. रिस्पेक्ट, पोलाइट बिहेवियर, यानी कि एक पोलाइट बिहेवियर रखना. ओके. वार्ड्स, सेपरेट रूम्स इन अ हॉस्पिटल, जो सेपरेट रूम्स होते हैं हॉस्पिटल में. कॉन्स्टेंटिनोपल, फॉर्मल नेम फॉर इस्तानबुल, तो ये फॉर्मल नेम है इस्तानबुल का. देन इम्प्रूव, टू मेक समथिंग बेटर, यानी कि कुछ चीज़ में इम्प्रूवमेंट, कुछ चीज़ को बेटर बनाना. ओके. Self-practice, NEP 2020 and NCF 2023 speaking skill. Answer the following questions orally. Question 1. Who was Florence Nightingale and why is famous for? The answer would be Florence Nightingale was a nurse and she is famous for her devoted service for the mankind. Okay. Question 2. Which two other languages did Florence Nightingale learn besides Italian? The answer would be English and French. Question 3. What did Florence to become? The answer would be Florence wants to become a nurse. Question 4. How was the condition of hospitals in those days? The answer would be the condition of hospitals were not better in those days. There were bed sheets that hasn't been changed and those bed sheets were also not washed by the patients as well. The conditions are not good at all. Okay. Question 5. Why did the ladies of good families not want to become nurses in those days? The answer would be The ladies of good families not wanted to become nurses in those days, because at that time nurses were paid very little money, and they were also given very little respect at that time. Okay. Written question A, take the correct option. First, Florence Nightingale was born in dash. A, USA, B, Italy, C, Australia. Answer would be Italy. Second, beside Italian, Florence Nightingale also learned dash languages. A, French and Russian, B, Chinese and French, C, English and French. Answer would be English and French. Third, Florence Nightingale wanted to become a dash. A, nurse, B, doctor, C, teacher. Answer would be nurse. Fourth, the hospital in those days were dash. A, better, B, not better, C, well cleaned. Answer would be not better. Fifth, Florence got her first chance when her dash fell ill. A, grandmother, B, mother, C, father. Answer would be grandmother. B, fill in the blanks with the correct word. Words given are Nightingale, training school, Crimean, 1854, England, nursing, intelligent, interdependent countries, comfortably. First, since childhood, Florence was an dash and dash child. Answer would be intelligent, interdependent. Second, Nightingale traveled to many dash with her parents and sister. Answer would be countries. Third, her parents wanted her to settle dash by get her married to a rich man. Answer would be comfortably. Fourth, a few years later, she got the chance to go to dash and learn about in a dash hospital. Answer would be England and nursing. Fifth, when the war broke out in dash, she led a group of 3 dozen nurses to dash to serve in dash hospital. This blank is wrongly given. Okay, so the answer would be 1854 here. Okay, and the answer here is Crimean. Okay. Sixth, she also founded dash. The answer would be Nightingale Training School. C, write true or false against the following statements. First, Florence Nightingale was born in England. जो Florence Nightingale थी वो इंग्लैंड में born हुई थी. False. Second, her parents encouraged her to become a nurse. उसके पेरेंट्स ने उसे encourage किया था वो नर्स बनने के लिए. False. Third, the Crimean War broke out in 1854. जो Crimean War थी वो broke out हो गई थी 1854 में. True. Fourth, Florence Nightingale was fondly called the lady with the lamp. जो Florence Nightingale थे उनको सब प्यार से the lady with lamp कहते थे. True. Fifth, Florence Nightingale founded Nightingale Training School for Nurses. जो Florence Nightingale है उन्होंने फाइंड आउट किया था नाइटिंगेल ट्रेनिंग स्कूल नर्सेस के लिए. ट्रू. D, answer the following questions. Question 1, where was Florence Nightingale born? The answer would be Florence Nightingale was born in Florence, Italy. Okay, you can write this answer by yourself. Question 2, what was her aim in life? The answer would be her aim in life was to serve the mankind and to become a nurse. Question 3, when did she get her first chance of nursing? The answer would be she got her first chance for nursing when her grandmother suddenly fell ill. Question 4, when did she build a new kitchen? The answer would be she built a new kitchen in 1854, okay, in a hospital. Question 5, who first called her the lady with the lamp? The answer would be the patients called her the lady with the lamp. You can write these answers by yourself. Words power. A. Use the following words in your own sentences. First, mankind. The greatest religion is to provide service for mankind. Second, childhood. She had a childhood trauma. Third, nurse. Nurse works in hospital. Fourth, hospital. Hospital is a place where patients are treated with care. Fifth, properly. She managed everything properly. Sixth, worked. She worked in a library. B. Complete the following words with the correct letters. First one is comfortable. COMFORTABLE, comfortable. Second one is service. SERVICE, service. Third one is childhood. CHILDHOOD, childhood. Then fourth one is intelligent. INTELLIGENT, intelligent. Fifth one is choice. CHOICE, choice. Sixth one is hospital. HOSPITAL, hospital. Then C, write antonyms for the following words. First, great. Normal. C, write antonyms for the following words. First, great. Little. Second, comfort. Discomfort. Third, intelligent. Fool. Fourth, married. Single. Fifth, rich. Poor. Sixth, good. Bad. प्रैक्टिस स्किल. प्रैक्टिस टू राइट द फॉलोइंग वर्ड्स इन कर्सिव. तो इन वर्ड्स को प्रैक्टिस करना है कर्सिव हैंड राइटिंग में. ओके, एंड आई विल जस्ट रीड देम. यू कैन प्रैक्टिस इट बाय योरसेल्फ. फ्लोरेंस, लेडीज, चाइल्डहुड, वुडन, countries, training, mind, hospital. Okay. Creative skill NEP 2020. Look at the pictures of great men given below. Try to write their nicknames. You can take help of your parents and teachers. Okay. तो यहाँ पर हमें पिक्चर्स दी गई हैं, इनके नेम लिखने हैं हमें. So first one is महात्मा गांधी. Second one is Subhash Chandra Bose. Third one is Rabindranath Tagore. Fourth one is Lala Lajpat Rai. Fifth one is Sarojini Naidu. And sixth one is Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. So I hope kids you enjoy learning with me. We'll meet in the next class. Bye bye.